Remove makeup and clean. Apply toner. Apply blackhead expert liquid and hot steam on large pores or clogged area, and toner on cheeks. For sensitive skin, it's not recommended to do so, but apply toner and cold steam. Wait for 5 to 8 minutes. Unclog pores. Tie a knot on the other tube when using just one tube. The right button is for turning on the function selections. Select the vacuum cup of your choice, stay on forehead for 1 second, then gently twist and lift it up from forehead to nose to chin to cheeks. Double the operation on clogged T-zone if needed. Treat for 10 minutes or so. Apply essence evenly. Select the vacuum cup of your choice. Vacuum massage. Massage the treatment area from chin to forehead in parallel lines for 2 to 3 minutes. Clean the treated area with purified water. Apply toner. Apply massage cream evenly all over the face. Face lymphatic detoxification. Coupled with hand to lift the treatment surface. Move the probe from chin to earlobe, mouth corner to ear gate, nose wing to the temple, lower eyelid to the temple, and lift skin on the outer corner of the eye 3 times. Do the same on the other side. Lift towards hairline. Lift from chin to earlobe and slide to the underarm. Lift from mouth corner to ear gate and slide to the underarm. Lift from nose wing to the temple and slide to the underarm. Lift from lower eyelid to the temple and slide to the underarm, 3 times each. Wash face clean. Apply facial mask and wait for 15 minutes. Take off the mask and clean. Apply toner, essence, cream, and sunscreen.